I love it. I mean, I grew up doing it, grew up in a farming community. We farmed, we ranched, we had cattle. So for me, it's just an extension of what I do. And in fact, I'm privileged enough to do it for my job, which not a lot of people get the chance to do something that they love every day. So I enjoy it immensely. It also teaches me how to teach other people.
There's no point.
You know, I have to learn how to teach them and not just try to do it myself. They research things in the library, they would read about it, they'd watch other videos, and then they'd come back and ask how they could apply that or what they should. So I was still there to help them, but I made them really problem solve and think through it on their own and learn from their own experiences, not just what I know.
Dig a well around it, so when we come out here and water, your water goes straight to your root.
The lessons they learn when they're gardening is you have to be patient out here. Nothing grows fast. Things don't happen on your schedule, so you can't control everything. And that makes you realize that maybe in your life you can't just control all aspects of it, because sometimes you can't control what somebody else does. So I think they're in a better place. They can process things better.
Peppers don't like to be buried deep.
I think it's a great thing. It involves a lot of things in TDC with the kitchen, the food service, prepping, us growing it. So a lot of people get a benefit out of it.
You have cover crops, you know, that root helps keep the ground broken.
My grandpa did clover for his.
If I'm not teaching them right, then we're not successful.